quite literally in a race between these variants and the vaccines.
Fighting variants of the coronavirus as all Marylanders can now pre-register for a vaccine. Hello, everyone. I'm Vic Carter.
And I'm Denise Koch.
A huge announcement from Governor Hogan as he urges all Marylanders to get the vaccine when they can.
So let's take a look at the numbers in our state tonight. The positivity rate still a concern as it continues to rise, but hospitalizations are down.
WJC is live. Ava Joy Burnett with these breaking developments from the governor. Ava Joy.
Good afternoon. Well, starting today, anyone who is 16 and older will be able to go online, put in their information, and wait for a vaccine to be available for them. But even if you're able to pre-register, the priority will still go to the people who are in phases 1 and 2.
As Maryland passes the 1 million mark for people who are fully vaccinated, the governor announced effective immediately, even more people will be able to start joining the line to pre-register for a shot.
We are immediately opening pre-registration to phase 3, meaning all Marylanders age 16 and older. Let me repeat that. As of today, every single Marylander who wants a COVID-19 vaccine can now pre-register for an appointment at a mass vaccination site.
The governor's announcement comes as the state continues to see a surge in new cases. Maryland's positivity rate has increased several days in a row. It's now at 5.5%.
You doing all right otherwise?
Jurisdictions across the state are trying to outrun the virus. In Baltimore, health officials drove a mobile unit to the east end of the city to vaccinate people. Medical professionals say young people are the ones who are getting sick now.
We know that there's COVID fatigue. We know that people want to spend time with their families. We know that there's been increased mobility for the past month, that people are moving about as if there is no longer a pandemic.
With the Easter holiday approaching, the hope is that family get-togethers will not add to the COVID-19 caseload.
Everyone has COVID fatigue. We know the weather's getting better, but it's not the time to be reckless. It is not the time to be stupid, to be quite frank, and go and be in places in unsafe ways.
And starting tomorrow on the Eastern Shore, at one of their vaccination sites, there will be a no appointment line. That means people who are currently eligible that can go into that line, sign up, and possibly get a vaccine on the same day without an appointment. And the hope is that they will eventually be able to extend this opportunity at other sites. Live at 4, Ava Joy Burnett for WJZ.
All right, thank you, Ava Joy. Well, Johnson & Johnson is stopping future shipments of its vaccine after a reported mix-up at its Baltimore manufacturing plant. Now, the mishap with the single-dose shot reportedly happened several weeks ago at Emergent Biosolutions. The New York Times says the vaccine's ingredients were mixed up at the East Baltimore plant, and that mistake spoiled up to 15 million doses. Now, the mistake reportedly does not affect any of the doses that have already shipped. However, future shipments from the Baltimore plant may be in question while the FDA investigates.